So I've been posting some videos about QuantCrawler signals, the strategy that's coming out to the platform at the end of June, and I want to clear the air on a couple of items because the comments have been pretty wild. One guy told me, since I was talking about a strategy that is coming out and it's part of our elite and lifetime membership, that if he ever sees me, it's on site and I better be ready to throw hands, which is weird because that's not going to happen. And the other guy is saying, show me proof of payouts. You're just another bullshit course seller, which is funny because I don't sell a course. I don't do one on one training. I built a platform. The platform is called QuantCrawler, and this is what it is. It's an automation tool. So if I die tomorrow, QuantCrawler continues. You can still automate your webhooks, which means when your strategy that you use for trading, whether it's one of my strategies, when it's my indicators, whether it's one of your own that you custom build, you can send that webhook to Ghost, and Ghost will route that to your broker. So it will automate your trading based on your signals and strategy or indicator, whether you're at the computer or not, to take those trades if you're that confident in the strategy or indicator that you have. So that's number one. That's the biggest part of the platform. It's an automation tool with webhook delivery, and it executes on your broker accounts. That's the bulk of the platform. The next piece is the Trade Copier. You can connect an unlimited number of accounts. I have 128 accounts connected from prop firms across 12 different prop firms, 10 accounts each, sometimes a little more because of Apex. I have them all connected and all copy trading off of one strategy that I'm going to show you. But today, I'm going to show you what my live account did. This is my real money. I don't need to show you proof of a payout. I'm going to show you my live account with my real dollars in it. So here is my live account. You guys can see up here at the top, I have $11,198.30 in there. This balance started last weekend, and I'll show you had a balance of around $8,000. So the strategy alone this last week made about $3,000, a little over $3,000. So here are the trades that the QuantCrawler signal strategy took that I have been fine tuning and back testing and optimizing. And this is what it looks like over the last 7 days while I was gone. Just trading 10 contracts on MNQ. So we had 4 wins in a row, we had 1 loss, and then we had 3 wins. So we only lost one trade this whole week, cost us $1,000 or $1,100, but made up for it obviously by all of these other wins sprinkled in. So this is how the strategy performed, and then this is my actual live account. So I'm going to stay on the screen. We're going to go over to reports, and I'm going to go last week and click go. So you can see the gross P&L for the week, $3,196.50. Profitable trades, 88.89%. The fees and everything here, the expectancy, and then the total P&L for the week was $3,025. These are the profitable trades. This is the losing trade that we had. It actually wasn't as bad as it's showing over here on this one. We have slippage, we have some disconnect, but my total net on the week is $3,025.50. And this ranges from June 7 to June 13, which was Saturday to Saturday. So again, we only lost one trade last week. Profitable trades 88.89%. This is my live account right here. You can see it. We'll come over here to orders, click go. You can see these filled, these exited. These are the times of everything. This is when it went. The positions history. You can see we're buying and selling. This is about as real as it gets. I don't need to show you proof of a payout. This is my live account. I'll show you anything else you want to see in here besides these client statements because it has my address on it. We'll go to cash history and we'll click go. You can see right here at the beginning of the week, we were at $8,172. This was on June 8th at 5:55. We were at $8,100. We start to scroll down. Trades are hitting and going. We roll into the 9th. This was a big day. Ended up running up to 10,003. Then we hit the 10th right here, 10,003. It was our losing day, so we revert back down. Then the 11th, $9,500 to open the day. And this runs up to 10,026. We open up at 10,025 on the 12th. And that runs all the way up to the bottom here, $11,198.30 to end our week. And we're sitting at $11,198.30 to begin the week on June 14th. So when I show you guys this, I'm mainly showing you this not to brag or boast or anything, just as proof, like I'm running this. Like this is something of me just trying to sell you a strategy or an indicator and be like, look, it works, I promise. I'm running this on a real live money account. This isn't a prop firm account. I am running this on props, but this isn't the point. The last 30 days, or actually, I'm sorry, let me show you the last 7 days right here. These were the last 7. 2605 with a drawdown of 1317. Like I said, with slippage and fills, we actually performed better than this. I was over 3,000 and my drawdown was actually less. But again, 87.5% profitable trades with a profit factor of 3.3 in the last 7 days. This is running 10 contracts. So the last 30 days, the P&L is 11,433 with a drawdown of 3,098, 77% profitable trades, profit factor of 1.8. The last 90 days, $48,940 for a drawdown of $4,623.10 with an 80.82% win rate, profit factor of 2.127. And then if we go the last 365 days, you can see here $118,701 on the P&L, max drawdown of $8,026, which means my $11,198 is going to survive for the whole year with an almost 76% win rate and a profit factor of 1.642. So there's your proof of payouts. There's your proof of the live run. This is the last week. Again, I'll go back to performance. Let me just keep talking. I'll refresh the screen. I'm not going to stop talking so you guys can see that I'm not fabricating anything. I'm not making up any screenshots. Last week, we'll click go. This is how it performed the last 7 days. While I was away, I didn't take a single trade myself. Ghost did this and automated all of the entries and the exits for me based on the strategy and when it hits and fires. And this is about as real a proof as it can get. This is my broker statement from Tradovate. So right there, there's your proof of concept. There's your proof of payout. There's your proof that the strategy works and performs. It only took one loss the last 7 days. The last 30 days are great. The last 90 days are great. The last 365 days are great. This is coming out at the end of June. If you're interested, you can join our Discord. I'll be sharing weekly proof of the wins and the losses. You'll see them both. I'm not lying to you about anything. So join our Discord. It's the first link in the description here, and you'll see my weekly payouts.